Are you a motivated, learning, agile university degree holder who is ready to become an AI and data growth consultant for top companies? If so, you must watch this video to the end. Turning your university knowledge or academic expertise into a high-paying industry career can be tough. If you're struggling to secure lucrative job opportunities, know you're not alone. Over 90% of university degree holders face the same challenges. But here's the secret. It's not about being the best in your class or having a master's or PhD degree. It's about leveraging your academic knowledge in combination with AI and data skills to solve real-world business problems. By identifying the right combination, you can secure six-figure salary job opportunities in global companies. Don't be discouraged in your career. You still have the chance to create an impact in the industry. In this short video, you'll discover the Education to Professional Employment Accelerator Program, a brand new program that helps university degree holders with a passion for AI and data to create their own AI and data growth consultant path based on their university knowledge. But here's the catch you've been looking for. The program is not for everyone. The Education to Professional Employment, E2PE, Accelerator program is exclusive to candidates who meet the following requirements. 1. Have gained industry knowledge either through your university training or professional experience. 2. Have a strong passion to apply AI and data in your industry to solve business problems. We're very keen on who we work with. If you think you qualify and you're ready to take your career to the next level, all you need to do is download the full program prospectus now and stand the chance of being selected for the true professional program you've been looking for. That's it from me. Look forward to talking to you soon.